Report card.
You will get a report card basically. That's it. The whole
So, like,
marks.
did you correct it or you will?
Wait a minute. I'll let you know. Is the screen shared?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Here you are. Okay, it was only of 10 marks basically.
Yes, sir.
You got 2.5 less, that is 7.5.
Okay.
And
Okay. Sir, in the first question, I didn't write 4 points. I wrote 3. I told you.
fourth, question number third.
Yeah, like I chose option C in the fourth question, the multiple choice one, right?
Yeah, that is one. You got 2.5, 2.5, 3, 4, 4. 6.5 you got.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. You can continue, sir.
So do you have any doubt
No.
from the previous class? No?
Sir, 1 minute, I'll check, sir, because last week I
No.
didn't check properly.
Okay.
s-
Let me know.
yes, sir, yes. No, sir, it's fine.
It's fine. Very good. Now we are going to see. Before starting this, I'm going to give some questions. And this organic chemistry is basically all about a regular study about the chapter. And the chapter, are you getting my point? Doing a lot of question on in organic chemistry.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, last week you told like for this chapter you will keep a test, right?
Yes.
Sir, I just had one request. So, like, actually, I'm currently out of town. Can you keep it when I'm back home?
When will you be back?
It's not fixed, sir. Maybe next Thursday or Friday.
Oh,
Like this Thursday or
so
Friday.
we will have test only for half an hour. We can take for class in the test in the next class. That will
No,
be
sir. Like, I didn't bring my proper study material. I bought the tuition books and the OSWAs, sir.
okay. Then we will see about it. I will tell to the management. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes. I was just a request, or you can keep it. No problem.
Okay. Draw the structure of major monohalo products in each of the following. In each of the following. Please do this.
Oh,
Wait. So the question is very easy, Harsh.
yes, sir.
You can easily do it. If you have any doubt, just ask me. So, let me know when you are done with the first one.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
the first one is interchanging, right?
What you just said?
The first one
Yeah.
is interchanging, right?
Not interchanging. Exchange, halogen exchange only took place in Finkelstein and Schwartz reaction. And in Finkelstein, fluorides. So the product
Sir,
formed will
sir,
be alkyl fluoride. That means you haven't studied this chapter, right? You haven't revised this chapter.
sir, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, Harsh.
Sir, you're lagging, sir.
Am I lagging? Am I still lagging?
No, no, no. Now you're okay. Now you're okay. When you were explaining that.
Okay. So what I was saying is, in halogen exchange, there were two
Yeah,
main
Finkelstein and
reactions.
Schwartz reaction.
Words. In Finkelstein reaction, we produce or we prepare alkyl iodide,
Alkyl iodides, yes.
and in Schwartz reaction, we prepare alkyl
Alkyl
fluoride.
fluoride.
Okay, please do this. Should I explain the first one? See, this is SOCl2.
Sir, I have, yeah,
Preparation of
yes, sir.
alcohol from
Alkyl, yeah.
alcohol. Preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. So what happens here is
It
just
will be
change
Cl,
the
right? Cl.
chlorine and the SO2
SO.
and then HCl.
Sir, I did the same thing.
Okay. And
I,
then
okay, yes.
what about the second one? Very good. What about the second one? CH3 CH2Br NaI in the presence of acetone. If you remember, this is Finkelstein reaction.
Finkelstein, yes, sir.
So this will be CH3 CH2I.
I. And then Br, NaBr.
NaBr will be.
Yeah.
This is byproduct. We don't deal with this.
Yeah, we
These
don't.
are all byproducts.
Byproducts, yes.
Heat and HQ. This is
Yes, sir, I'm confusing.
halogenation.
Halogenation.
So it cannot break the double bond, but it can basically substitution reaction. So it will be remove one of the hydrogen from anywhere and it will be like this. And if you are going to talk about this, what about this? Can you tell me the product?
Oh, yes, sir, one minute. Sir, it will be
Which type of reaction is this?
yeah.
We need to
Finkelstein. It has
recognize
Finkelstein,
this
right?
first. How can it be Finkelstein? Finkelstein is sodium iodide, not hydrogen iodide.
Hydrogen iodide.
If you remembered hydrogen halides
Yes, sir.
react with alkene in the presence of no peroxide, in the absence of oxide, that is Markovnikov. Do you remember Markovnikov? This is double bond, this is hydrogen halide. So in case of this, negative part of the addendum will go to that carbon which will have lesser number of hydrogens. So the product will be
Negative
this.
part of HBr will go to carbon with the less number of hydrogen.
Yes. You haven't revised. This is very bad, Harsh.
Sir, like last Wednesday you took the class, right?
Yeah, you should.
Thursday, then I've left.
You should revise it on a daily basis because this is organic chemistry. Okay.
I know, sir, but
No excuse. Just do the right thing. Okay.
sir, I have my schoolwork also.
Okay.
I can't deal with everything.
But you have to just
I'll
make
try my
sure that
best.
you just don't need to spend 1 or 2 hours on this.
No, sir,
You
just
just
15
need
or 30 minutes is enough. I know, I did
yes,
that.
that is
But
enough.
last week I was not able to do it.
Okay. Okay.
So, 1 minute, can I scroll up for the last one? So just trust.
Yes, why not?
Done, sir.
Very good. Now see, we are going to take another topic, that is Lucas reagent, which is very important. Lucas test. First
Lucas.
of all, Lucas. Yeah.
So okay,
What is
sir,
Lucas
can
test?
explain it in detail because in class we didn't do that. I told you that she completed only the first part of the chapter.
What you just asked, what I need
No,
to
I just
explain.
asked her, can you just explain it in detail because in my class, I told you that she only did the first part of the chapter.
Oh, I will explain it. I just wrote the name only.
No, yeah, I'm just telling you.
Okay, no problem. I will explain each and everything, and after that, if you don't get it, just tell me. I will explain again and again until you get it. Okay? I will
Thank you, sir.
make you practice more and more questions until you get it.
Sir, because you know, like my weak subject is chemistry.
Yeah, no problem at all. Just wait a moment. Yeah, see, what is Lucas test? There will be a lot of test in our organic chemistry, and basically this test will uh, decide, or you can say recognize, which type of compound and which degree of compound is this. Are you getting my point? If
Yes,
I'm
sir.
going to say about Lucas test, we will first know come to know about Lucas reagent. What is Lucas reagent? What is Lucas reagent? And these are
Reagent.
very easy and experimental things. Okay, Lucas reagent is basically concentrated HCl slash anhydrous ZnCl2. This is our Lucas reagent. Now
Okay.
I am going to mix this Lucas reagent, that means concentrated HCl
And
anhydride
anhydrous ZnCl.
NaCl2 in 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol, and 3 degree alcohol. And you know that
Yes.
what is the degree of alcohol.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes.
Now see. So basically, I'm talking about 1 degree ROH, that means 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree ROH means 2 degree alcohol, and 3 degree ROH, that means 3 degree alcohol. Okay. Now see, when alcohol will react with this reagent, it will form alkyl halide, that will be RCl. And when this alcohol will react with, it will form RCl. Okay. And
Yes,
when
sir.
this alcohol will react with uh, ZnCl to this concentrated, it will also form RCl. What I want to say is that, see, I'm going to take an example more specific. I'm being more specific, so it will be CH3Cl. How Lucas reagent. Lr, that means here Lucas reagent. And if you are
Yes,
going
sir.
to write CH3COH, and here it will be CH3. So the product will be CH3 CCl, and no, wait a minute.
Okay.
Here will be H and then CH3. Again, this is I am passing this with Lucas reagent. This is Lucas reagent. Lr I am calling here Lr. ROH, and then Lucas reagent. Just don't take. I'm going to take an example. Like here we have CH3 and then then OH, then CH3 and then
Okay.
CH3, and you will get a product like CH3, and remove this OH.
CH3CCl2.
This
Yeah.
very good. This is CH3 and this is
And
CH3.
CH.
What happens when 1 degree alcohol will pass through this Lucas reagent is very important. Now I'm going to write, basically in 1 degree alcohol, there will be turbidity in long time, no turbidity. Here it will be no turbidity, no turbidity. There will be no turbidity. That means the solution will not be cloudy. Okay. Now, second, turbidity in a minute. Turbidity in minutes. And when we talk about 3 degree alcohol, that means turbidity in second. Turbidity in seconds. Wait a minute. So Harsh, basically here, how we are going to recognize whether which degree of alcohol is this? If you are going to mix this Lucas reagent with 1 degree alcohol, there will be no turbidity, and it will take a lot of time to form turbidity. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to write here turbidity in long time. Okay, turbidity in long time. That tells us about the alcohol is 1 degree. And if
Okay.
turbidity will come after a few minutes, that means it is 2nd degree alcohol.
Second
And
degree alcohol.
if mixing it with Lucas reagent, and it will form turbidity immediately, that means it is 3
Third
degree
degree
alcohol.
alcohol. Yeah.
3 degree alcohol. Okay. So please write it.
Yes, sir.
Please write it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Let me know when you are done with this.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes, yes.
can you again define turbidity? That
Turbidity is basically the solution becomes cloudy.
okay, cloudy, like whitish.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, done, sir.
Very good. Now see, we are going to see preparation of haloarenes. Here are preparation of haloalkanes ended. Okay. Now preparation of haloarenes. So when we talk about preparation of haloarenes, so we are going to see from where we are going to prepare, from which we are going to prepare haloarenes. So basically the first is from hydrocarbons by electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution. So
Okay,
basically we are going to take a hydrocarbon like this, and if we are going to pass this with X2, that means halogen, in the presence of Fe dark, that means cold, there will be two types of product. There will be two products. One is ortho. This is ortho haloarene. And the second is para haloarene. The second is para
para
haloarene. And these two can be easily separated out because these two have different, there are a large difference in boiling point, melting points. That's why they can be easily separated. I'm going to write a point. Ortho and para
can be separated.
isomers can be easily separated due to large difference in their melting points. Is right.
Yes, sir.
Let me know when you are done with this.
Yes, sir.
There will be 2 more points in this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Sir,
Yes.
here, what's X, right?
X is basically, here is chlorine and bromine.
Okay. Cold chlorine and bromine. And sir,
Okay.
dark means?
Dark, that means cold, you can say.
Okay.
Now the next point I'm going to write.
Done, sir. Yes.
See, if you are going to prepare fluoro compounds with this method, it won't be possible. Fluoro compounds are not prepared
From
by this method.
electrophilic substitution.
By this method, due to high reactivity of fluorine. Due to high
The activity of fluorine.
reactivity of
Fluorine.
fluorine. Very good. And when we talk about iodine, so write a point.
Yes, sir.
Reactions with iodine are reversible. If you are going to react it with X2, at the place of X2, if you are going to put I2, it will be reversible. It will be reversible in nature and require the presence of an oxidizing agent. Require the presence
of an oxidizing agent.
Presence of an oxidizing agent. Basically, like we can put HNO3 plus HiO4, which is an oxidizing agent, which helps it to be irreversible, or you can say to oxidize HI, hydrogen iodide, formed during iodination. During iodination. Iodination, that means addition of iodine. Please write. Let me know when you are done with this.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Very good. Now, basically, there are two methods to prepare haloarine. The first method is this, and the second method is from amines. We are going to prepare haloarine by from amines by Sandmeyer's reaction. This Sandmeyer's is also known as name reaction. Sandmeyer's reaction. Now see what happens in Sandmeyer's reaction when we use benzenamine. This is benzenamine, and we are going to pass this benzenamine or mix with nitrous acid, that is NaNO3 plus HX. In at 273 and 278 Kelvin. That means basically this is 0 degree centigrade.
It's between 273 and 278.
Yes.
Okay.
It will form diazonium halide. It will form diazonium halide. Diazonium is also an organic compound, functional group. So we can write its name, benzene diazonium halide. And after the formation of benzene diazonium halide, we are going to pass it through Cu2x, cuprous oxide, cupric oxide, Cu2x2, and then we will have haloarine along with N2. Here the X is only equals to chlorine and
Cl and bromine.
This is aryl halide.
Okay.
Or basically it is formed in 1 degree amine, primary aromatic amine. Primary
aromatic compound.
aromatic amine.
Oh yeah, aromatic
You are
amine.
aware of aromatic from class 11th? This is sodium nitrite. And this is basically cuprous halide. Cuprous, not cuprous. Yes, cuprous
Cu2H2.
halide. And X is equal to chlorine bromine, so
Chlorine
we
and
can call
bromine.
it
Yeah.
cupreous chloride.
Sir,
Then
I
this
read
will be
this.
replaced by this. Very good. Are you done with this?
Sir, I'm just writing. So 1 minute.
Okay, okay. I thought you
No,
you said
no, I'll write.
no. Okay, okay, no problem.
Done, sir.
Very good. Now see how we are going to uh, prepare iodoarine. So basically, in the previous case, diazonium is replaced by chlorine and bromine easily. But when we talk about iodine, replacement of the diazonium N2 plus X minus diazonium Am I audible?
Sir, I can't hear you.
Am I audible, Harsh? Harsh, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now you're audible.
Cuprous halide.
Sir, can I repeat again? I was
Yes,
not
I
able
will
to
just
hear.
repeat it. And is simply done by shaking diazonium salt with potassium iodide. See, what I want to say is that if you are going to prepare in the first step, you will get this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Benzene
Benzene
diazonium halide.
diazonium halide.
After this, if you want to prepare iodide benzene
Yes,
iodide,
sir.
you
Yes,
don't
sir.
need to mix cuprous halide.
Cuprous
You don't
halide.
need to mix a cuprous halide. Instead of this, you can just shake that benzene diazonium halide with the potassium iodide. You will get your product. Like this is benzene diazonium halide. You
Yes,
can
sir.
see N2 plus X minus, N2 plus X
X
minus. And if
minus.
you are going to take potassium iodide and just shake it, you will get benzene iodide. Benzene iodide
Iodine.
plus N. This is very
Okay.
easy. Please write it.
So
Should
just
I
hold
slide
on.
it up?
Yes, sir. Thank
Please
you.
do this
Yeah,
and
that's fine.
wait a minute. After this, we are going to practice questions on this because our preparation of haloalkane and haloarenes are completed.
Okay. Sir, after this, how many topics are left?
We have left with a lot of topics like SN1 chemical properties are more important. Like in the next class, we are going to study SN1 and SN2.
Oh, done, sir.
Very good.
Sir, just I'll just bring my charger, sir. It's my laptop is going
Okay.
to discharge.
Take your time.
Hello? Sir,
Yes,
can you hear me?
yes.
Nothing, sir. I was just... You can continue, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to give you some questions. Question is, write the product of the following reactions. Very easy question. Please do this for 3 reactions. Can you do this?
So just a minute, sir.
Okay.
I'm trying. Sir,
Yes.
these questions are from both haloalkanes, like preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes, right?
Yes. Yes.
Are you there?
Yes, sir.
See, first of all, try to recognize which type of reaction is this. This is what? This is alkene,
Yes, sir.
and this is hydrogen halides. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Whenever alkene react with hydrogen halide, see where the in at arrow where it is in presence of presence of peroxide or absence of peroxide. There is nothing written apart from except HBr. So this is Markovnikov. This is
Markovnikov's rule.
So Markovnikov, this
Double bond will break,
be
right? Double bond will break, and then HBr will, sorry,
not
Br
this,
will come with H.
not the double bond of this benzene, but the
No, sir.
outside
Double
of the
bond of
benzene.
hydrogen.
Yes, not double bond of hydrogen. Hydrogen makes only one bond. So this bond will be broken. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, I did that, sir. I was just asking, sir.
Okay.
And
So
then I
what is
wrote.
the product? See, so this if this this bond will be broken.
Yeah.
Now see, this will be like this, and this hydrogen
Yeah.
will be here.
Yeah.
And see, negative part will go to that carbon which has
With less number of hydrogen. Yes.
and positive part will go to that carbon which has greater
More
of
number of
hydrogen.
hydrogen. Yes.
So this is the basically product. Okay.
Sir, I wrote this. Yeah, I wrote it.
Now do this second and third, and please name the product. IUPAC name of the second product. I
Okay,
want
sir.
this.
IUPAC name of second product. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
for the second one, is it
It will
3-chloro 2-methyl
match it.
pentane?
CH3 CH2.
Yes,
And then
CH,
CH2.
So
This
it
is
is
the
3-chloro, right? Oh wait.
2-chloro, na?
Oh yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh yeah. It's 2-chloro 2-methyl pentane.
No, not methyl. Only 4 carbon is there. How can you say pent? Pent is for 5 carbon now.
Yes.
So how can you say that?
Sir, 1 minute. I'm solving it again, sir. I did something wrong. I just did something wrong. 1 minute. Two-chloro. So can I solve the third one?
See, this is the benzene part. Now see, since it is in present of peroxide, that means it is anti-Markovnikov. It is
anti-Markovnikov.
That means negative part will go to that carbon which has greater number of hydrogen. So the product will be like this: CH, H was here, and single bond CH2 Br. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now I'm
So
going to give.
just a minute, sir. I'm just third one, sir. 1 minute.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You can continue, sir.
Yes, yes. Let me know whenever you are done with this.
No, sir. Done. You can
Done.
continue.
Now see, I'm going to give you a question.
Sir, related to
Isomerism, this chapter.
isomerism.
Yeah. Write the isomers of the compound. Write the isomers of the compound having formula C4H9Br. Do you know now what is isomers? Basically, same chemical formula, different structural formula.
Yes, sir.
So please write all the possible isomerism, structural isomerism of this.
Yes, sir. Just give me 2 minutes, sir. That's all.
Okay, take your time, but do it correctly. If you don't have any idea about it, let me know.
Yes, sir. I'll let you know if it any doubt.
Can you do this? First, are you there?
Yes, just a message, just a minute.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
like I got 3.
Only 3.
Like I wrote 3. Should I tell them to you?
Yes. See, can you
Like
tell
is that
them
correct? Let me ask you. Like 1
this is
bromobutane,
1 bromobutane? Very good.
2
Then
bromobutane,
very good.
1 bromo 2 methyl butane.
Very good. And you
Is
can
that
draw
correct?
one more. That is the last. You know what? You have draw it like this: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2Br, right?
Yes, sir.
This is 1 bromobutane.
Yeah.
And
And then
this
CH3,
will be
CH2,
wait a minute,
CHBr,
CHBr,
Br,
and
and then CH3.
this is 2 bromobutane,
Yeah.
and then you can do it like this: CH2
CH3,
first,
CH.
Br,
Okay,
and
okay.
then CH, and then Br, CH3, and then CH3, right? 1, 2, 3. It will be 1 bromo 2 methyl butane, and one you can do it like that. It will be like this. Can you do this? This is Br. So basically, this is 1, 2, 3. 2 bromo 2 methyl propane.
Okay.
2 bromo
2 methyl propane.
2 methyl propane. Yes or
Okay.
no?
Yes, sir. So there are only 4 or there are more?
4.
4, right? Okay.
Yes, yes, only
So
4.
just let me note down the 4th one, sir.
Okay, just write it and let me know.
Yes, sir.
Let me know when you are done with this.
Done, sir, done.
Very good. Now see. Write the equations for the preparation of 1 iodo butane, 1 iodo butane from first 1 butanol. We need to prepare 1 iodobutanol, 1 iodobutane from 1
From 1
butanol.
hour.
From second we have to prepare from 1 chlorobutane. From 1 chlorobutane we need to prepare 1 iodobutane, and the third is from but 1 ene to iodobutane. Can you do this? We need to do
Sir, can you help?
1 butanol. See, this is 1 butanol, and you need to prepare 1 iodobutane. Okay.
So just a minute, I'll try to solve it.
Okay. So there are three questions. Can you do the first one, or I should help you?
Sir, I'm just trying. So 1 minute, if I order, I'll tell you. Sir, can you just solve this question, sir?
Yes, why not? This is very easy.
It's easy.
Yes. See,
Okay.
we need to prepare. Wait a minute.
1-iodobutane.
We need to prepare 1-iodobutane. Butane 1-ol, that means CH3,
Say CH2,
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 2,
CH2, and OH.
CH2.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we can use HI in the presence of ZnCl2. And you can see this I will replace this, and it will be CH3, CH2, 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 I, and with H2. It will give H2 also, but we need to prepare only this. So concentrate on this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the second is 1-chlorobutane. This is very easy. 1-chlorobutane, you see. 1-chlorobutane. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. And this is Cl. And we need to prepare what is from 1-chlorobutane to iodobutane, right?
Yes,
One
sir.
iodobutane. This we need to prepare. So what you need to do is very easy. NaI in the presence of dry acetone. Do you remember Finkelstein reaction?
Yes, sir.
So what happens? This will switch to this, and NaCl will be present in this.
Sir, you're lagging.
Harsh, are you there?
Yes, sir. Sir, I think you got disconnected.
Yeah. Is the screen shared?
Yes, sir. Now it's clear. Shit.
Yes, I
Sir,
was
can you repeat the
disconnected.
second one because I think you got disconnected
Yeah,
that time.
see, from one chlorobutane,
Yeah.
to one iodobutane.
Yes, sir.
So you can see that this is in the presence of dry stone. We can easily alkyl iodide we can prepare
Yes,
with the
sir.
help of Finkelstein reaction.
Yes, sir. Fingerprint reaction.
So this is it.
Okay.
And you are going to do the third part from homework. Okay, I'm going to do give you some homework.
Okay.
So
So
you
just a
have to do
minute.
it from.
I'll note this down
Yes,
and
yes.
then.
Okay, okay. No problem at all.
Done, sir. Now I can continue. So, like, you given some
Very good.
homework.
Now see, from exercise question number 1 to wait a minute, 3. You can do 2, 3, 1 to 3, and
Okay.
then
Exercise.
5 you can do. 6 you have already done. 7 you have already done. Okay. So this is your homework for Wednesday classes. I'll check it. Okay.